Ever worried about accidentally calling emergency services by mistake? Today I will show you how to turn on or off require swipe to call in Emergency SOS on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This feature helps prevent accidental emergency calls when you press the side button 5 times. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Safety and Emergency. Tap Safety and Emergency. Tap Emergency SOS. Here you will see Require Swipe to Call. You can turn it on to avoid accidental calls, or turn it off if you want the emergency call to dial instantly when SOS is triggered. And that's it. It's a quick setup but important, especially in real situation or if you often trigger buttons in your pocket. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.